Hello, friends! Do you love to travel and learn about new places and things? Great! Then you are in the right place. Join Jasmine the cat and Gracie the tortoise as they have fun exploring the USA, the world, and beyond.
Hello, friends! It's Jasmine, the jazzy gray cat, here with my bestie Gracie, the super smart tortoise. Say hi, Gracie.
Greetings, my good friends. Gracie here. I'm so glad you joined us today as we explore Neptune, the 8th planet in our solar system.
Neptune is the planet that's farthest away from the sun. Uranus is its closest neighbor. The closest those two planets ever are is about 1 million miles. But sometimes they're even farther apart. I guess that's when they have an argument.
No, Jasmine, they do not get farther apart because of an argument. Since the planets are always moving, the distance between them is always changing. And if you think the distance between those two planets is a lot, Neptune is over 2 million miles away from the sun and almost 3 million miles away from Earth. And that's more than 30 times as far as the Earth is from the sun.
Jinkies, that is really far away. Good thing we have our supersonic spaceship, or it would take us 12 years to get there. If you want to see Neptune from Earth, you'll need a telescope. You can't see it with just your eyes. Gracie, if we can't see Neptune with our eyes, how did the star guys find it?
Star guys? Oh, you mean astronomers, scientists who study the stars, planets, and other natural objects in space. Astronomers discovered Neptune through math. They saw that Uranus's orbit was unusual. Using math, they discovered that there was another planet that was causing this. Using calculations and a telescope, Neptune was first seen in 1846.
It was named after Neptune, the god of the seas. The idea for that name came from the gorgeous blue color of the planet and its watery surface. Neptune is called an ice planet. It's surrounded by a thick, soupy fog of water, ammonia, and methane gas. The methane gas is what gives Neptune that beautiful blue color. Wait a minute. If it's made up of gases, why isn't Neptune a gas planet?
Good question. I know it sounds funny, but water, ammonia, and methane are called icy materials, so Neptune's called an ice planet. And all of those gases mean we can't land on Neptune. Neptune has an Earth-sized solid core, but there's no solid surface for us to land on. Also, its thick, windy atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane and would probably blow us away.
I'm okay with not landing on Neptune. Since it's so far from the sun, it is super cold. A negative 353 degrees Fahrenheit. We would freeze solid. I did leave my sunglasses at home because I won't need them here. The brightest time on Neptune only looks like the end of our sunset, which is when it's starting to get dark. What's the gravity like here, Gracie?
Gravity, that invisible force that pulls objects together, is just a little stronger than on Earth. So, if a person weighed 100 pounds on Earth, they would be about 14 pounds heavier at 114 pounds. Here's a fun fact. If you were able to walk on Neptune, you would only feel a little heavier than when you walked on Earth.
That's a cool fact. I guess it would feel like you were walking with exercise weights on your ankles. That would make me tired. Time to talk about days and nights. Neptune spins on its axis pretty fast. It only takes 16 of our hours to go all the way around. So one day is only 16 hours. That's not very long at all. It would be hard to get all my naps in. Even though the days are short, the years are long. It takes Neptune about 165 Earth years to go around the sun. This is another planet that's not good for celebrating birthdays.
No, it's not. As a matter of fact, it has only been just over 1 Neptune year since the planet was discovered in 1846. We're getting close now. Only one spacecraft has ever visited Neptune. That's the Voyager 2 in 1989.
Until us, of course. Ooh, I see it. Such an amazing blue color. I see 6 rings circling the planet. They are made out of dust and even have names. They're named after the astronomers who saw them first.
I see them, and also Neptune's moons. There are at least 13 moons, and perhaps 3 more. The largest is called Triton and is a little smaller than our moon.
Hey, I get it. The moon Triton is named for King Neptune's Triton that he's always holding.
Good observation, Jasmine. Triton is the only moon in the solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet. This backwards orbit is called retrograde. Triton is a frozen moon and has geysers that shoot icy material up more than 5 miles into the air. Neptune also has a very strong magnetic field, 27 times stronger than Earth's. Scientists believe that it's this field that might have pulled Triton into Neptune's orbit.
Oh my! Neptune captured his Triton. I hope they're happy together. I think it's time for us to head back to Earth. Time for some Neptune jokes. Gracie, what did Neptune say to Saturn?
How about giving me a ring sometime?
Yes, that's right. Your turn.
What kind of music do the planets play?
Rock music?
Nice guess, but they play Neptunes.
Very funny, but my answer was good too. My favorite thing today was seeing that beautiful blue color of Neptune that's from the methane gases. How about you?
My favorite thing was finding out that Neptune was discovered by math. How about you, friends? What was your favorite fact? Don't forget to tell someone you love.
That's right, and come back next time for Uranus. This is the one that's hard to say. Bye now. Say goodbye, Gracie.
Goodbye, my dear friends. See you next time.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining Jasmine and Gracie on their adventure today. Come back next week for the next one.
Hello, everybody. It's Gwen here. If you want to know more about the places we visited, just go to our website, jasmineandgracie.podbean.com, and go to the sources page, and you can find out all about the great places that we visited. See you next week. Bye-bye.